Okay, as you can see here, we have two Dell Wyse 3040s. I converted both devices into modems slash routers. As you can see here, I have a 3040 configured Wi-Fi extender. It connects to a public SSID. It works as my secondary internet connection. And of course, that plugs directly into my switch as my secondary. Over here, we have a Dell Wyse 3040 also with LTE, the LTE connection. And that connection is shared, of course, through the Ethernet port. And it is my third form of redundant internet on my switch. And of course, my primary one, this is my primary internet provider. It serves as my primary.